Hey everyone, comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band, and how the back section split into two parts and how the left section drop into the right one using a hair loop. Do the vice versa on the right side with the remaining tail split into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Secure the end with the rubber band, roll the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping hairpin on either side. Comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and have the remaining section of the hair at the back into two sections and have each of them into three parts and have it braided. Do the same braiding on the right side. With the tail we have split them into two parts and have it braided as well. Then coil the braid in the clockwise manner and secure the tip underneath the bun. Do the thing on the right side of the braid as well. With the left braid, do it anti-clockwise and secure the tip underneath. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band and fold the tip and secure it to the last loop of the rubber band. Then pinch out the braid sides for maximum volume and also do pinch out the hair on the top section as well. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band with the remaining section of the hair at the back. Have the left section come into the front and drop into the right loop and have all of them braided together into a thicker braid. Then have the end secure with the rubber band and roll the braid into a clockwise direction and have it as a bun and have a tip underneath the bun hidden and decorating it even more further by dropping a lovely hairpin. Save the right section of the hair for later with the section of the hair at the back, split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom middle part and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then roll the braid into a clockwise manner and have it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun. Then after that, bring the section of the hair from the right back and have it into a thicker braid and roll it to the top and have it anti-clockwise underneath the bun we created first. Then pinch out the hair on the top section. Make a ponytail and split them into two parts and have a rubber band attached on the top part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and make the right tail go into the left and scrunch it to the top by having a little hair band. And after that, with the remaining tail, have it braided in a thicker manner and roll the left braid into a clockwise manner and secure the tip underneath the bun and pinch the hair a little bit on top section. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side and have it into a thinner braid. Do the same braiding on the right side and have the left braid combined to a strip of hair from the right. Do the same for the right braid. Catch the left section of the hair and have it split them into three parts and have it braided in a thinner manner and secure the end with the rubber band. Then grab the right section of the hair, make a ponytail and create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, combine both the tails together and release the braid from that point into three sections and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with another rubber band. Then fold the braid into half inwards and have it secured by a little hairpin. Grab your gorgeous hair from behind and tie with the rubber band, making a ponytail, and grab the top section of it, have a rubber band to it and make a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and drop the entire tail behind your ponytail using a hair loop. Do grab another section of the hair right below it and have the same loop. Thank you everyone.